Yo, what's up, guys, and welcome to Thaneesh Nagula. Today, I'm going to show you the science kit. In the science kit, there are many things. I'll show you in a minute. And this is the book, and this is good. Also, it's good. It has many things. And don't bother of me. I already unboxed. But this is that's just a instruction. And this is the actual experiments that we are going to do. Okay. So the topic is vinegar. What is sheets? Marmalade. So the experiment is vinegar explosions, just like volcano explosion. I can't, but I'll show you the materials. Let me bring in the minute. So here is it, the experiment. It's not the kit, the science kit. You can see the ultimate science kit. Okay, and we are going to blow our mind like this. Of course, we are going to blow our mind like this. But anyways, now I'm going to open, and these all are the materials. And these are the all materials, okay, that they gave this many. And in the tool kit, just open like that, and you also have some tools, even the tools that you don't need to even need from home. Unless, but fixing this is not that easy. Go inside. Okay. Now we are going to take the materials are. By the way, I forgot to keep the book. I forgot to keep the book like this. Okay. And the first material is vinegar. Let's go. Vinegar. Why vinegar? Because it's actually a vinegar explosion. But while I'm at it, let me take a baking soda, vinegar. And don't mind that the vinegar is not that much. There's just 20 ml. It will just fit on a cylinder. In the measuring cylinder. Okay? And while we are here, we need to take yellow food color. Should we? Oh yeah, yellow. And that's it. And the things that we need. We need to take the tails. Okay, the things are and I need to open it again. The things are, we need to take a cylinder, steering stick, and this tube. Told ya, everything is here. Should I need and the measuring, this is the measuring cylinder. And don't forget to take the tray. Okay. Do we need? Oh, oh, see. While this is everything, and while I'm at it, let me clean this. And don't forget that take this tray. That they'll give everything on this tray, and all the materials are here. But don't forget the home materials are water. Let me bring it right now. Phew, I bring the water also. I brought. Now the first step is that we need to take this. What they'll call? Not the fungal. Wait. The fungal. Okay. And friends, I'm actually an idiot. I should listen this everything properly. Not even first. The problem is that we need a cup. I'll bring it. And don't forget the cup I'll show you right now. And yeah, the cup looks like this. Just see. In the science kit they'll give, okay. And I need to take this. Take that and take this one. They told to keep it like this. Take the the fungal. Take the fungal. Take this, the red color fungal. Keep it like this. It's kind of weird. Okay, now mine. And take the conical flask and put it on the tray. Add 1 spoon of baking soda into the flask. Okay, using the fungal, gently tap the fungal if the chemical gets stuck. Okay, so they told we need to take a spatula. First of all, we need to take a spatula and keep it in a one spoon. Oh, sorry, and a circle. They told to take the spatula. This is the spatula. And this is the spoon to take the baking soda. Okay, and it looks like this in red color. I think for you it will come in different color. I think I didn't show this. Okay, and take this also, friends. I forgot to show you this. And baking soda. I think I showed you. Yeah. And take this gently, or else it will split it up. Gently take the baking soda. Anyways, it's all the baking soda is coming out. Oh shoot. I should wear gloves. Okay, friends, don't forget to wear the gloves. Anyways, I have the gloves. And it's kind of big to me. And let me take the spatula. And it's like a Spider-Man glove. It's like a Spider-Man glove. Okay, let me take the baking soda. They told us to take 1 spoon. And we took it. And okay, now we don't need gloves because it's just for one thing. It's just for one thing we need gloves for this fat baking soda. Okay, we are not going to add it. Oh shoot. Oh, my book. Oh, my book. Okay. I will. I'll take care of this. Thank God it's not something like vinegar, and it will be a disaster. And then don't gently tap and let everything go to the tube. Oh shit. And take this, and there is some kind of, and there are some baking soda that you can see, right, friends? Anyways, I just poured some of that and this. So take that. The book says, yeah, now it's good. And I don't have 20. Oh my god. I think I don't have 20 ml of vinegar. I know, but I didn't count it. Let me count it with my scooter. It's almost top. It's almost the second top. It's almost the second top. The vinegar. Oh shit. I'm pouring like it's nothing. Please, please, please. Are you okay, friends? Vinegar is not. Shall we do rose water? Put me in the comments. Can we do rose water? Stay tuned to find out. Now I have nothing. Just keeping this again into this. Don't waste even a single drop. Don't waste even a single. I mean, yeah. Wait, you're all are thinking, right? Hey, just a second. Okay. You're all are thinking, Thaneesh, how can you do rose water if you don't have a rose water in the science kit? But I have it in our home. We can bring it. Just bring your rose water. Woo! Let's go! We got rose water from my mom. I mean, they'll do puja, right? Puja. Okay, let me measure this in the cylinder. No, zero beginner. I don't know why did I say beginner. I supposed to say vinegar. Let's go. Wow, even the rose water is empty. Okay, take it and measure it in the. And take a cup and measure it in the everything. And what they say, wait. Then add 15 ml of water and 10 drops of yellow color. Mix it well. Seriously. In a cup, 15 ml. Okay, anyways, I took water. 15 ml. 15 ml. And yellow food color. Okay, they're told to add first. First I need to put the water. How many drops? 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay. Why did I say 10, 10? Because I forgot to put 7. That's why. And mix it well. I don't know why. Ooh. Rose water and water. What the freak? I think vinegar plus water is equal to rose water. So we don't need to add water. Actually, I am a stupid. It's like a water. And also vinegar is also water. Okay. Mix it well. Okay, after that, I mixed it. Then remove the tulip, then pour the. Now the magic is going to happen. You need to be front guy. You need to be aside. And they told to take this, but I already kept it and I already took it. So there's no problem. Wait, I'll put on this. Or else everything. The moment of truth, everyone is waiting. Whee! Wait, what? I think out of baking soda. There's no baking soda. Wait, why didn't the explosion came? What? Wait. Let me take. And let me see the first normal. For the magic volcano. Oh. They're stupid. No, I'm stupid. I should keep a vinegar. Anyways, this experiment is busted, I guess. Waste of rose water. I can keep it. No need, I'm just kidding. Okay friends, if you like this video and if you hate this experiment, please tell me. Because I hate it. I don't want to pour it. I don't want to waste it. Anyways, I'll throw it in my bathroom. Okay, anyways friends, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll show you. And I'll read everything. Did you see? Okay. Did you see? Yeah, I see nothing. Okay. Did you see a blast of lava coming out of the volcano? Okay, so what? When baking soda and vinegar are mixed together, a chemical reaction takes place. The fizz that we saw, a bubble of carbon dioxide gas being released, some kind of fizz can be observed when a soda bottle is opened. Reminds me of soda bottle. I'm kind of thirsty. Let me bring my Sprite. A fizzing reminds me. When we do like this, Usually, can you see the sound? Oh, it's so chill. Anyways, hope you like this video. Hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.